Oh, what a beautiful, boring day. Nothing to do. Hey, Shrimpo! Oh, Shrimpo! Woo! Shrimpo? Can I have some Shrimpo? What's a Shrimpo? Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Shrimpo is delicious food that you could only find in the wild. I'll show you, little fella. No, first I want to beat up Toad. Ow! Owie! Owie! Why would you do that to me? You're such a mean person. Yeah, that's right, Toad. You're a stupid little fat hippie who eats his chocolate pie and your candy bars and sit on the couch with your potato chips. Now, what's a Shrimpo? A Shrimpo is a meat killer. You can make meat killer at Shrimpo poo. Da 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 da. No offense, I remember that from Super Mario Logan. This video goes to Super Mario Logan. Hey Woody, I'm Shrimpo. No, that's a food thing you talked to me about. No, I'm Shrimpo. My name is Shrimpo. I was named after them. I was born with the Shrimpo. Hey, what the heck is this guy doing? Shut up. No, I don't want to boom, 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 boom. The Shrimpo, you were so shy. Shut up. Oh. Boom, 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 bombs, boom. Hey, Woody. Hey, Luigi. Well, wait, man. You get boom, 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 boom. The missiles, a little fist. Oh. Oh, okay. Now it's a Shrimpo. Ah!